Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a beautiful garden but still getting eaten alive by mosquitoes every evening, you're not alone. Many of us unknowingly grow plants that look innocent but actually invite mosquitoes to hang around. And worse, there are myths about some repellent plants that do the opposite. In today's video, we're breaking down 13 plants that secretly attract mosquitoes and busting a few common gardening myths while we're at it. Stick around to see if your favorite plant made the list, and what you can grow instead. Let's start with a garden favorite, Water Hyacinth. This floating beauty might look stunning in a pond or water feature, but it creates the perfect stagnant environment for mosquito larvae. If you're keeping it, make sure the water is moving and regularly maintained. Up next, Papyrus. This elegant plant loves moist conditions and is often grown near standing water, an open invitation for mosquitoes to lay their eggs. It's stylish, but unless you have a way to control water flow, it might not be worth the bite. Coming in at number 3 is Taro, also known as elephant ear. It has large leaves that collect water, creating tiny mosquito puddles. Unless you tip those leaves after every rainfall, you might be growing a mosquito resort. Now here's a surprise, lemongrass. It's widely marketed as a mosquito repellent because it contains citronella oil, but the plant itself doesn't repel unless you crush the leaves or extract the oils. Just growing it won't stop mosquitoes from crashing your BBQ. Let's talk about bamboo. You know, some species actually hold water in their hollow stems, which can create a breeding ground for mosquitoes right there in plain sight. And since bamboo grows so fast and dense, it can really hide whole mosquito colonies right in your backyard. Water lettuce is next on the list. Just like water hyacinth, it floats and spreads quickly, covering water surfaces and preventing movement. Exactly what mosquitoes love for laying their eggs. Yes, even banana plants, they have these big leaves that can trap water after it rains. In humid climates, they also create the perfect shady microclimate mosquitoes just love to hang out in. Here's another myth buster, marigolds. They're often praised for repelling pests, but their mosquito-repelling powers are, well, underwhelming. Unless you're planting them in huge numbers and crushing the petals often, don't count on marigolds alone to protect you. Water lilies are beautiful, but problematic. Still, water beneath their leaves is a breeding paradise. Add a small pump or fish to your pond if you want to keep lilies and avoid mosquitoes. Alocasia, a popular tropical plant, also holds water in its cupped leaves. Unless you're draining them manually or live in a dry area, this plant can unintentionally harbor larvae. This one may surprise you, Bromeliads. These exotic beauties store water in the center rosette of their leaves, which is where mosquitoes just love to breed. You need to, flush out the water regularly to keep them mosquito-free. Yes, even Monstera, especially when grown outdoors. Its cup-like structure collects rainwater and moisture. It's not a massive attractor like others, but, you know, it's worth watching if you're dealing with infestations. Ferns don't breed mosquitoes directly, but they create dense shade and hold moisture, which creates a cool hideaway for adult mosquitoes during hot days. If you've got thick fern beds, you might be giving mosquitoes a 5-star hotel. Peace lilies, especially when overwatered, create a soggy environment both in pots and gardens. While not a direct attractor, that moist soil is a mosquito magnet, especially for fungus gnats too. And finally, Canna lilies. These dramatic flowers love wet feet and thrive in boggy areas. But that same environment is perfect for mosquito breeding if water is left stagnant for too long. Alright, let's recap. If your garden feels more like a mosquito lounge than a peaceful retreat, it might be your plant choices. Many of these plants are beautiful and serve a purpose, but they require maintenance to avoid becoming mosquito-friendly zones. Add movement to water features, drain standing water from leaves, and choose plants like lavender, rosemary, or catnip, which have stronger mosquito-repelling effects and don't trap water. Let me know in the comments which of these surprised you most, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden smart tips. See you next time.